Boom. What's poppin', everybody? How's your weekend? Mine was good. So, I'm about to hit you with another episode today. Clothing talk, baby. Let's get into it.
Do you feel the vibes?
Okay, like I said, today hit you with another episode. This is my weekly episodes, trying to be consistent for you people out here in these streets. And I got a DIY project for you. If you do your own t-shirts, I'm about to set you up right quick, especially when it comes to the printing process. Everybody goes through the printing process. Some people, struggle, but one big question that a lot of people always ask me is, how do you get your images centered on your t-shirts when you print? I got the solution for you people. It's it's so easy, and you'll be like, why didn't I think of you'll be like, why didn't I ever think of that? So without further ado, I'm gonna hit you. I'm about to do a print for you guys and show you what's going down to try to get you guys right and tight on your print game if you're doing this thing out of your house. So just give me a few seconds and I will get everything set up for you guys. I got a weed and tweed. We're using a vinyl today, and on a basic white t-shirt, black and white, but you're gonna like it. So I'm gonna hit you back, catch you in a few minutes. Boom. Now what we're getting ready to do is show you guys a quick and easy way to center your designs on your shirt. So first of all, you'll take one of your shirts like so. This is a Gildan. You just take whatever shirt you like, and then first you have it like so, and then like I said, this is quick and easy way of doing so. And then you'll fold it halfway like so, right? Make sure everything is mirrored, lined up, like so, lined up. And then you'll have your machine on, which should be already hot. And then you lay your shirt on the machine, making sure everything is tight and right. And then you're gonna press down. Make sure you get a nice heat on it. What have you. It doesn't have to be that long, and then now you see a nice crease coming down the middle of your shirt. You can see it's directly down the middle of the shirt. You don't have to do any guessing work. So that, and then you lay your shirt down like so on your heat press with the crease up, and then now you take your design and then you fold your design. Right now, like I said, we were dealing with a vinyl. So we got a vinyl right now. And you do the same thing. You crease your vinyl. And right there on your design, you should have a line crease that comes down there that shows you basically where the middle of your design is if it's mirrored. So then you bring it over here. You got to come be a little closer. And as you can see, if you put the angle on your shirt that goes down and lay it right on top of that, you have a perfect, it's going to be sized perfect to where you need it to be. And then the only thing you have to do is line each line up, the crease lines together. Normally you should have some kind of pad that'll go over here, but then now you can see there's a few imperfections on here that you don't want. Crease lines are lined up. You got it all signed down, and then you press it down. Then you'll hold it for a second, the remaining 20 seconds, and then you basically, what's going to come out is a nice centered design on your from your heat press vinyl to your shirt, and you took out all the guessing work because it was just made simple with that the creases that you put in there. So now it's all done. You peel this bad boy off, and this is the end result to the shirt. Nice design, everything lined up to where you want it to do. You play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. So this is a quick DIY do-it-yourself video. Heat press, centering your design on your shirt. Let me know if you guys get any feedback. Please do me a favor, drop some comments down if you have any more questions, or just if you have any more questions about t-shirts or the heat press, or just in general, just any questions, I can fill them in for you guys. But hey, happy pressing and do your thing. So I'm signing out. Holla.
Do you feel the vibes?